the essential vitamins for optimal health in your 50s and beyond. As we embrace our 50s and beyond, our bodies undergo various transformations. One may begin to notice a decline in energy levels and diminished concentration. Additionally, the onset of aches and pains, particularly in the joints, becomes more prevalent. These shifts are accompanied by visible signs of aging, such as sagging skin and the appearance of new wrinkles. Furthermore, the digestive system may no longer function as efficiently as it did in our younger years, leading to issues like heartburn and constipation. It's essential to understand that as our bodies age, the absorption of vital nutrients, such as vitamin B12 and minerals, becomes less efficient, potentially triggering inflammation and accelerating the aging process. Moreover, the medications commonly prescribed as we age can deplete our bodies of essential nutrients required for strength, health, and vitality. While many individuals turn to multivitamin supplements, it's important to note that these often contain synthetic vitamins, which lack the potency needed to deliver the genuine health benefits you seek. With this in mind, I'd like to share with you 5 key vitamins and nutritional supplements recommended for individuals over the age of 50. These supplements are specifically chosen to enhance your health and overall well-being. Number 1, let's discuss the benefits of incorporating cod liver oil into your daily routine. This natural remedy is a powerhouse for those aged 50 and above. Cod liver oil, especially the high-quality Icelandic or Nordic variants, is a rich source of active omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids not only help reduce inflammation but also play a crucial role in strengthening your joints and bones. Beyond joint health, cod liver oil has a range of other benefits. It aids in the creation of new brain cells, guarding against cognitive decline as you age. Additionally, it promotes healthy skin by improving its structure and preventing premature wrinkles. It also contributes to heart health by enhancing circulation, lowering blood pressure, and maintaining regular heart rhythms. Moreover, cod liver oil is a natural source of vitamin D, a crucial hormone-like vitamin that fortifies your immune system, keeping it robust against infections and diseases as you age. Incorporate this into your daily regimen, and in just 1 week, you'll notice an overall improvement in your health and well-being. Now, moving on to supplement number 2, digestive enzymes. As we age, the quality and strength of our digestive juices in the stomach and gut tend to decline. This can lead to common digestive issues such as acid reflux, heartburn, bloating, and more. You may find that certain foods you used to enjoy now cause discomfort, forcing you to eat smaller portions and less frequently. To combat these digestive problems, I recommend taking 2 to 3 digestive enzyme capsules before each meal. These enzymes naturally strengthen your stomach acids, aiding in better food breakdown and enhanced absorption of proteins and minerals crucial for maintaining muscle mass as you age. When selecting a brand, ensure it contains ox bile, hydrochloride, and pancreatin for the best results. Now, let's explore supplement number 3, vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential antioxidant that safeguards your cells, DNA, and mitochondria from age-related damage. While this nutrient can be obtained from raw leafy greens, fruits, and herbs, beware of over-the-counter vitamin C supplements, which usually contain only ascorbic acid, a mere 5% of the complete vitamin C complex. The genuine vitamin C complex includes copper, flavonoids, J, K, and P factors, all of which play a role in maintaining healthy blood vessels, combating inflammation, and boosting collagen production. If you prefer a supplement, consider whole fruit powders like camu camu, rose hips, or acerola cherry. A daily glass of water with 1 to 2 teaspoons of these powders, or blending them into a super green smoothie will fortify your antioxidant defenses. Natural vitamin C can help prevent bleeding in arteries and gums, strengthen collagen throughout your body, and enhance your immune system's response to viruses, colds, and infections. Next, supplement number 4, a mineral complex. If you've noticed a decline in your energy, vitality, and overall vibrancy in your 50s, don't assume it's an inevitable part of aging. Over-reliance on caffeine, sugar, and stimulants can disrupt your body's energy production. To naturally boost your energy levels, consider adding 1 scoop of a high-quality keto electrolyte powder to a bottle of carbonated water twice daily. Look for a brand that contains at least 1,000 milligrams of potassium citrate, 100 milligrams of magnesium citrate, and a trace mineral complex. Electrolytes and trace minerals help your cells produce more energy, keeping you feeling awake and alert. They also reduce insulin resistance, allowing more fuel into your cells, particularly in your muscles and brain. Consume these minerals in the morning and during exercise to build muscle and maintain protein stores as you age. Lastly, supplement number 5, the B complex. I highly recommend incorporating 2 to 3 tablespoons of unfortified nutritional yeast flakes into your daily diet. These yeast flakes are rich in B vitamins, particularly vitamin B1, which can help your body adapt to stress and normalize cortisol levels as you age. Elevated cortisol, often due to stress, can lead to various health issues, as over 80% of diseases are stress-related. Nutritional yeast's B vitamins, when combined with exercise and meditation, can help lower cortisol levels and prevent muscle wastage as you age. Additionally, B vitamins assist with blood sugar control, red blood cell production, and skin health, particularly on the feet and scalp. Consider adding nutritional yeast to salads, stir-fries, or pairing it with kefir or yogurt. You'll soon notice your stress levels decreasing within minutes of consumption. To further enhance your gut health as you age, I'd like to introduce an additional supplement that can be beneficial. Consider incorporating a 30-day course of probiotics into your routine, perhaps twice a year. Ensure that the probiotics you choose contain a minimum of 100 billion colony-forming units per day, and offer a variety of friendly microbial strains, as indicated on the product label. Probiotics play a crucial role in nurturing a healthy gut environment. They aid in the restoration of the mucosal layer and the strengthening of tight junctions within your large intestine, both of which tend to deteriorate as you surpass the age of 50. By taking probiotics, you can reduce the risk of toxins seeping into your bloodstream as you age, and they also facilitate the breakdown of dietary fiber, allowing your body to absorb more nutrients from your meals. Instead of relying solely on supplements, consider incorporating probiotic-rich fermented foods into your weekly diet. Foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and pickles can provide you with these beneficial microbes. Now that you're informed about some essential supplements for those over 50, let's delve into other anti-aging lifestyle recommendations. Elevate your levels of the anti-aging hormone, IGF-1, by engaging in high-intensity interval training twice a week. Ensure adequate rest and recovery between training sessions. This approach enhances blood circulation, promotes collagen production in your skin, and contributes to the preservation of muscle mass. Eliminate inflammatory vegetable oils from your diet entirely, and opt for healthier sources of saturated fats such as grass-fed butter, tallow, or extra virgin coconut oil. Saturated fats are essential for maintaining the health of your skin. A low-fat diet can accelerate the aging process and lead to the development of wrinkles. Prioritize quality sleep by going to bed an hour earlier each night. disconnect from electronic devices to create a calming pre-sleep routine. Increased sleep duration boosts the production of melatonin, a powerful antioxidant that safeguards against age-related cognitive decline. Manage stress effectively by taking leisurely walks outdoors in the sunshine, enjoying comedy movies, and indulging in soothing music. Lowering cortisol levels can prevent muscle loss and respiratory issues associated with aging. Stay well hydrated by consuming at least 1 liter of mineral water daily, avoiding tap water that may contain harmful fluoride. Additionally, maintaining stable insulin levels is crucial to prevent excess weight gain as metabolism naturally slows down. Adopting an eating window of 6 to 8 hours, allowing your stomach to remain empty during the remaining hours, and consuming only water during this time can help regulate insulin levels. Fasting during this period enhances your body's antioxidant network, promoting cellular renewal and recycling. Lastly, consider incorporating foods rich in anti-aging nutrients into your daily diet. Stay tuned for more useful health information. Don't forget to like and subscribe to update the latest videos. Thanks for watching.